Hello everyone, this is Claire. Today I will show you the operation of the TT126 two-way tour guide system, which is an upgraded version of the TT124, which has some new features and less expensive. I will show how to pair the transmitter and the receiver. Turn on the transmitter. You will see a key icon here, which means this device is locked. At this time, you can only adjust the volume by these two keys. Pressing other buttons won't give you any response, so we need to unlock it first. Long press the lock button about 3 seconds. The key icon disappears. At this time, you can adjust the channel through these two keys. After choose the channel you want, turn on the receiver. Now the receiver is 3. It will automatically pair with the transmitter's channel in 3 seconds. Look, the receiver's channel has become 15. TT126 also supports to turn off all receivers with one click. If you have many receivers, this function can save a lot of time. Unlock it first. Long press the right button and this key. You will see all appears on the screen, which means all the receivers connected to the transmitter have been turned off. In addition, this two-way tour guide system also supports adjust microphone gain, one button to mute. If you want to learn more, please click the product link to check it out. Okay, bye bye everyone.